Do you want him to obsess over you? There's 3 steps to go from obsessing over someone to make them obsess over you. Step 1, identify what you want. You've done that. Check. Step 2, hold space for it. Step 3, allow it. Receive it. Step 2 is where it gets tricky for most people. What does it mean to hold space for it? This is where we make the transition from being obsessed over someone else to being obsessible over. To make this transition, we need to stop being in the obsessive state and imagine the new state, the state of being obsessed over. What does that look like? We need to learn to make that new state natural. I am obsessible over. I am desired. I am cherished. I am loved. Here's the problem. Most people do not believe that. In fact, they believe the opposite. I am not good enough. Something's wrong with me. What did I do wrong? So every single explanation that you are giving to any action, any circumstance, any event that is happening while the universe is rearranging things for you are coming through that lens. The "there's something wrong with me" lens. Until you learn to change that lens, you're stuck creating more of the same. We manifest what we are, we don't manifest what we want. And this is what I teach clients every single day. I'll be sharing the exact framework I teach clients privately in the live training this weekend. If you want in, the link's in the bio. Babe, you deserve to be obsessible over. You just haven't realized that yet.